Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Starbucks. Meron na silang ube flavor na drinks. So first time ko makakuita ng ube flavor na drinks dito sa Starbucks. So try natin to. So I just tried the Ice Ube Coconut Macchiato from Starbucks. Unfortunately, I'm disappointed. I did not taste even a portion of the ube. I'm an ube lover, so I'm very disappointed. Maybe it's a combination of ube and coffee. That's why I tasted most of the coffee. But if you're an ube lover, it's not. I don't recommend it. But if you'd like to try it, feel free to try it. So just my 2 cents on the new Ice Ube Coconut Macchiato from Starbucks.